treasure sales for a shocker. But this is my living room. Dull, boring, and aesthetically pleasing. Sorry, Dad. But what if I told you that there is a way to give your living room this clean aesthetic or this beach look? Like, makes you feel like you're on a tropical beach. Well, or at least give you those beach vibes. Well, that's what we're going to do in today's video. I am going to show you guys how to make your living room look and feel like you're at a tropical beach, like you're at your vacation all over again. So if you love videos like this, please do me a favor and subscribe for more videos like this. It could really help out my channel. Alright guys, let's get into it. Now, the first thing I like to do before ever start decorating is to clean the room. Now, cleaning to me is an essential first step. It not only makes the space feel fresher, but also allows us to see the room's potential. Plus, a clean room always feels more inviting. Now let's create a beautiful seashell table center with candles. I got this centerpiece is perfect for adding a touch of the beach to your living room. The seashells bring in a natural texture and the candles add a warm, cozy glow. It's an easy way to create a focal point that's both beautiful and functional. Guys, I love this idea. Now, I'm going to be completely honest here. This part of the video was solely inspired by the great creators on Pinterest, guys. I love Pinterest. You can find so many ideas and inspiration from here. All the credit to the creator that came up with this beautiful idea. And I'm sorry, I don't know her name. I looked around. I don't know if it's a guy, girl who started this trend, but guys, they did a beautiful job and I love it. So I'm going to give all the shout out to them.
Oh yeah, I think it looks good.
Now this part is going to be a little out there, so stay with me on this. We are going to be using linen for bed covers. Yeah, that's right. We are using bed cover linens to decorate our couch and give it that ocean feeling. This is a cheaper alternative to having couch covers, which I checked at my Walmart. I saw a set that was like for $45, and this right here was set right here was just for $15. We are giving the couch a beachy makeover with some blue ocean covers and beige pillows. The blue tones are resembling the ocean, while the beige pillows that we're going to add later are going to resemble the sandy beach, giving it a beachy vibe. Now, this color combination not only brings the beach indoors, but also creates a relaxing and harmonious look. It's a simple yet effective way to refresh your seating area. Now for the end table, I'm using some blue and white books to hold this blue sea salt scented candle. I'm also using a mason jar from my kitchen to hold the palm leaves that I'll be using for my table decor, relying on the resources I already have. Now place the blue scented candle on one side of the table. If you have a small tray or stack of books, use them. Elevate the candle slightly, adding height and variation. And as I said before, I recommend using books that are blue, white, creamy, or just green color to give it the ocean appearance. And then you're going to arrange the palm leaves behind the books and the candle. If possible, place the palm leaves in a small container like I'm using in this jar. And I recommend you add a cute little sea turtle or sea star for the finishing touch. Finally, for our finishing touch, let's make a vibrant summer floor arrangement using some old decor items. Mix and matching what you already have can create a stunning new look without breaking the bank. Now, I know many of you may not have decor items already, but I recommend you go to Dollar Tree to get small set of flowers for $1 or sometimes $1.25. The bright colors bring energy and life to the room, making it feel like a tropical paradise. This arrangement is a great way to breathe new life into old decor. This cute sign right here was another Dollar Tree find, and I feel like it goes so well in front of these flowers, and when people walk through my front door, it'd be the first thing they see. And there you have it, a beautiful beach themed living room transformation. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed these tips and this video, and I hope you feel inspired to just take it upon yourself and decorate your home and give it its own beautiful beachy oasis. If you love decorating videos like this, or videos that give you decor tips and ideas, or inspiration on how to transform your home, please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe so you get more videos like this. Alright guys, I hope you have a great summer. See you in the next video.